I was sick. You know, it is the reason why universal health coverage is part of the assignment that God has given me. We have struggled with NHIF for long. It was about a few people. It was about people who have means. It was about people who can pay. It was about people who have salaries. Now we have a universal health coverage. We are 25 million people. We had 7 million people registered in the former NHIF. Now we have 27 million people registered in our new platform. And I want to tell you that slowly and surely, the missions, the people who run hospitals are coming around. They were complaining SHA is not working. They graduated and said, yes, it's working, but. Slowly, we are refining it, and I promise you, by God's grace, it will be possible for each and every citizen of Kenya to be treated and paid for without the burden of selling their properties to be able to meet their medical expenses. Bishop Kitoto reminded me that I have 15 minutes. I think I have exhausted my minutes, but I would have really, I'm looking for another opportunity to discuss with leaders, Kenyan leaders, including our spiritual leaders, so that I can share with you my vision of where I think this country should go. We have wasted a lot of time making peace with mediocrity, working with the average, when God wants us to be excellent. So, and let me tell you, in our lifetime, it is possible to move this country from the third world of today to first world. I say this, and some people think I am mad. I am not mad. It is possible. With God, it is possible. And I have started this conversation with many people, with many leaders, because it's doable. Look at what we have done. We have doubled our savings in 2 years. You know, the housing program is funded 100% by resources from Kenya. 100%. Do you know how much contracts we have signed in the housing program? Contracts worth 600 billion, using our own money. This universal health coverage, the money that have been mobilized to do universal local money, we've not borrowed from nobody. 300 billion of our own money. And so, it is possible for us to transform this nation. We need not borrow left, right, and center. We need to organize, mobilize our own resources, and transform our nation. And it is possible for us to do this in our lifetime. And I want to ask you, as leaders, as Christian leaders, to work with us so that we can get this country to the next level. I am very confident about the future of this nation. You know, we have people who don't believe in our nation. They don't believe in our ability. They speak ill about our nation. They speak negative things about our nation. I want to tell you, we have a blessed nation. We have a great nation. And God is going to help us to make it greater. Thank you very much. God bless you.